Some call it the coolest keyboard. So we decided to make it literally freezing cool. No AI and no tricks. This is how it happened. It's actually pretty simple. All you need is a cool keyboard, some water, a freezer, and very questionable decisions. First, we created an ice base for the keyboard. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Let the submersion begin. Was this necessary? Not at all, but science demands commitment. Okay, time for the final layer. It already looks cool, but we're not done yet. We're adding more water to fully cover the keyboard, sealing it completely in ice. And off to the freezer it goes again. After a couple hours, this is one iced out keyboard.
Damn, that's cool.
All right, let's take it out. Please tell me it didn't crack.
No, it's fine. Actually, it looks insanely cool.
Is this the coolest keyboard ever? You tell us. Drop your thoughts in the comments. So, how cool is too cool for a keyboard? Turns out, cooler than we expected.